Here we go, guys. Ra, ra, ra. Paper pieces falling out of the spine. Kinda feel like I'm losing my mind. Gotta secure it, put it down, get it in line. Okay, guys, I don't know how to rap. I'm done this time. Hey guys, this is Frankie, your Frankie, and today we're going to be putting together this Black Cat thick paper kit. I'm going to open this up and we can see what we get inside. I do like how this is packaged. Very simplistic and nice. They give you some information on the back. And it also comes with these instructions. So let's get started. Kaishaba. So now I'm basically gonna punch out all these little pieces so that we can assemble this. I'm also trying to keep it in order for easy assemblage. I do not want to mix these pieces up and then have to go back and try to figure out where stuff's supposed to go. So I'm done punching out the midsection of the cat. So basically this is one of the midsections you're going to put in there, and you're going to attach it to the underbelly of the cat. There is also a piece that once you get all these pieces together, you kind of put this in place, and that's more like the spine of the cat. Right now we're dealing with the underbelly and the big pieces, the mid pieces. Also make sure, because if you see all these little grooves at the bottom, that I was placing the right groove in the right spot, because you don't want to like bend it up. Here we go, guys. Paper pieces falling out of the spine. Kinda feel like I'm losing my mind. Gotta secure it, put it down, get it in line. Okay, guys, I don't know how to rap. I'm done this time. Are you liking my flow? Are you practicing? Oh, y'all trying to call my sister on the phone. Pick it up and nobody's home. Where's my hype girl? Where's she gone? I'll call back later. I mean, that's all I can do at this point. Guys, I don't know why. It's just too much fun. This is too fun. This reminds me of my cousin. He likes to rap. And I remember one time we were all at our grandparents' house. And he was like, basically, oh, you next, girl. I could not rap. I can't rap. It's like you try to rhyme your name, and then you're like, ugh, and then that was the end of my flow, right? Now this kit came with 2 different types of cat eyes, so I'm just showing you the 2 different eyes you could possibly use on your cat. Now when I was putting these legs together, I accidentally flicked one of these little pieces on the floor. And of course it's a black piece on a dark floor, so I had a hard time finding it. When I did find it, somehow it separated in half. I'm not sure how that happened, but I ended up putting it back in the plug, so it ended up working anyway. And it